Sir Arthur Stanley Eddington once said, "The universe isn't just more unusual than we can envision. It is more unusual than we can envision." Indeed, the English astrophysicist was right. After all, we find ourselves in a world that irredeemably surpasses our understanding with its size, intricacy, and vastness. Sprinkled with billions of galaxies, stars, and planets, the universe is governed by fundamental laws that reveal systems and phenomena beyond the limits of our ordinary experiences and imagination. But what surreal things are truly hidden in the endless expanse of space? More importantly, will we ever be able to fully grasp the universe? There's no doubt that its countless structures and incredible depths can feel overwhelming and even intimidating. In fact, the fear of the universe even has an official name: astrophobia, also known as cosmophobia or space fear. This fear extends beyond the vast emptiness of space to the unknown secrets it holds. From our earthly perspective, we can see only a tiny fraction of the universe's vastness, and we've barely begun to unravel its mysteries. No expert knows what wonders lie beyond our cosmic horizon, but even the celestial formations right on our cosmic doorstep can seem utterly alien. Take, for instance, the planetary giant of our solar system, Jupiter. Not only is it more than 11 times larger than Earth, with a diameter of almost 143,000 kilometers, but our home planet could fit inside it 1,300 times. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a massive storm, dwarfs Earth on its own. If our planet were to collide with Jupiter, it would be absorbed into its atmosphere, burned, and fused with its swirling gas clouds and metallic hydrogen, much like a drop of water dissolving into the ocean. In this hypothetical scenario, Earth would encounter hurricane-force winds before finally sinking into Jupiter's deep, glowing ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen. Fortunately, this fate is purely speculative. For now, we still have the time and opportunity to explore another extraordinary fact. Until the early 1990s, astronomers weren't sure if planets existed outside our solar system. Today, we know better. Scientists have already identified over 6,900 exoplanets in more than 4,900 different systems. Yet, this is only the smallest tip of the planetary iceberg. Current estimates suggest that another 100 to 200 billion planetary systems remain undiscovered in our Milky Way alone. That's not all. While official confirmation of extraterrestrial life is still awaited, a recent study by the University of Nottingham suggests that up to 36 intelligent civilizations could already be thriving in our galaxy. Given that the observable universe contains an estimated 200 billion galaxies, the potential number of highly developed alien civilizations is staggering. However, not every exoplanet is a potential home for life. Take, for example, HD 189733b, a world with scorching temperatures of up to 3,000 degrees Celsius and wind speeds reaching 30,000 kilometers per hour. This planet, about 64 light-years away, appears deep blue. Not because of water, but due to razor-sharp glass particles that race through its atmosphere at high speeds. NASA officially refers to this extreme weather phenomenon as rains of terror. But planets are only part of the picture. If we turn our gaze toward the stars, the twinkling points of light romanticized in countless songs, they transform into fearsome giants. Our Sun, the heart of our solar system, has a diameter of nearly 1.4 million kilometers and holds 99.86% of the total mass of our solar system. Yet, in a grander cosmic scale, our Sun is merely average. It pales in comparison to the behemoth stars of the universe. For instance, the red supergiant Stephenson 2-18, located about 20,000 light-years away in the star cluster Stephenson 2, is one of the largest known stars in the universe. Its radius is estimated to be over 2,000 times that of the Sun, with a volume 10 billion times greater. Even more mind-blowing is the monstrous quasar TUN-618, a blazing hot accretion disk of gas surrounding a supermassive black hole. Classified as an ultramassive black hole by NASA, TUN-618 holds an estimated 66 billion solar masses. Other studies estimate a slightly lower mass of 47 billion, but the fact remains, it is one of the most powerful objects in the cosmos. To put its size into perspective, the Schwarzschild radius of TUN-618 is estimated to be 300 astronomical units, 75 times the orbit of Neptune. This raises the question, what cosmic structure could possibly be larger? The answer is nothing, at least as we currently understand it. The Boötes void, often referred to as the Great Nothing, is one of the largest known voids in the universe. Spanning an incredible 300 million light-years, it is a vast, empty region where galaxies are eerily sparse. While these vast cosmic structures are awe-inspiring, the processes that occur on a smaller scale are no less fascinating. Consider the composition of the universe. On Earth, matter typically exists in solid, liquid, or gaseous states, but in space, 99.9% of normal matter exists in a different form, plasma. This charged state of matter, consisting of free protons and electrons, arises when materials are heated to extreme temperatures. Our Sun itself is a colossal sphere of plasma and a stellar alchemist. Every second, the Sun fuses approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, an amount equivalent to the mass of 102 Great Pyramids of Giza or 1,812 Empire State Buildings. This nuclear fusion not only produces new elements, but also generates immense energy and light. Photons released from the Sun's core take about 250,000 years to travel the 700,000 kilometers to its surface. However, once they escape, they reach Earth in just 8 minutes. Beyond providing light, the Sun also creates powerful cosmic storms. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles, interacts with Earth's magnetic field, twisting and snapping its field lines in a process called magnetic reconnection. This explosive event releases energy and charged particles, sometimes creating visible effects like the northern and southern lights. The mysteries of the universe are vast, and we have only scratched the surface. As we continue our journey through space exploration, one thing is certain: the cosmos will never cease to amaze us.